Hi friends, let's go ahead and resize our design. So once you have your design open, go ahead and hover over to the top left corner. Click Resize, and here you can resize this design to anything you like. If you know the dimensions you need, then go ahead and click Custom Size and edit these measurements here. If you're unsure of the size you need, go ahead and scroll down until you find exactly what you're looking for right within Canva's options. So let's say you wanted to resize this to a PDF. You would go ahead and select Flyer. And you have two options. You can resize this design that you're looking at right here, or you could copy and resize the design, which would create a duplicate template with the new resize measurements you've just entered. So now you would have two designs. You'd have the one you're looking at right now and another one with the new resize measurements. If you only need to resize the document you're working on, then just go ahead and click Resize. And once you do, there it is. It resizes it for you. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.